Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, University of Southern Mindanao. This is Rika Justin P. Garcia, your DJ for today. And this is 96.5 Hot FM.
Friend, the one who comes in when the whole world has gone out. Everyone needs a true friend. If you do not have a friend, by all means, get one.
However, you must observe the certain principles as you choose your friend. This video will present to you the great teaching about friendship.
Beyond the circle of the family, a person seeks a friend.
A popular expression asserts,
The happiest collector on earth is one who collects friends.
why make friends? They're created as social beings. The God even declared,
It is not good for man to be alone. I will make a helper suitable for him.
there are levels of friendship. First is casual friendship. This friendship is associating only.
A casual friend is someone with whom you have enough commonality and shared feelings of madness that would you go out of your way to help each other. Walking together, laughing together, sharing together, helping each other. Someone you live next door to, but you are not.
Second is close friend. This friendship is associating only.
A close friend is someone with whom you share the positive feelings that you have with a casual friend, but with whom you are much more intimate and close. Enough trust exists between close friends that if confidences are shared, the expectation is that they will not be repeated or misused in the friendship.
Third is best friend. This friendship is associating trust, loyalty, trust.
Oh! Nandiyan ka pala. Bakit? Teka, kahapon nabalitaan ko. Naglasing ka daw. O anong problema mo?
A best friend is the friend to whom someone turns. These are the ones that you can reveal the deepest secret of your life and feel secure in sharing it with them. The highest level of friendship contains a component of association and loyalty along with affection.
Ngayon, nawawala ba?
Our close friends have much greater impact and influence on our lives than our casual friends.
Sabihin nila, concern lang ako sa kalusugan mo. Alam mo ba kung anong epekto nito? Friend! Promise, hindi na mauulit. Yan kasi, nandito naman ako na best friend mo. Pwede mo naman sa akin sabihin ang problema mo. Hindi naman ako makiramay sa'yo Oo nga, friend. Ngayon ko na-realize salamat talaga, friend Promise mo yan
Therefore, we must choose our close friend carefully.
Lazy person. Angry person. greedy person, believing person, immoral person.
Bye, friend. Bagay ka na.
Yes.
So, what do you do with these people?
Hate them and avoid them.
No.
The Bible commands, let no debt remain outstanding, except the continuing debt to love one another. For he who loves his fellow man has fulfilled the law. Romans 13:8.
And there are 12 ways to make yourself a good friend. First is live a life of charisma.
Charisma is a mindset. You have a charisma if you are others-minded. People without charisma talk about themselves. People with charisma talk about other people.
Second is remember names.
Develop a system to memorize names. The good shepherd calls his sheep by names. To any person, that the sweetest sound in the world is the sound of his own name. Psychologists tell us why. Within each of us is a built-in need to belong. The part of the action to be recognized as a person of importance.
Third is smile.
It is a powerful weapon in relationships. A smile costs nothing but gives much. A smile creates happiness in the home, fosters goodwill in business, and it counters signs of friendship. It brings rest to the weary, cheer to discouraged, sunshine to the sad, and nature's best antidote for trouble. It breaks the ice when you smile at people. It takes 6 muscles to smile. It takes 42 muscles to frown. And so, smile.
4 is grow in Christ-likeness.
A godly person is an attractive person. Multitudes follow Jesus.
5th, learn to be a good listener.
Apostle James wrote, be quick to listen and slow to speak.
6, accept people unconditionally. Hi, Timber!
Accept one another, then just as Christ accepted you, in order to bring praise to God. You cannot build a true friendship until you first give up the impression in your mind of what that person ought to be. Change comes after acceptance, not prior to acceptance.
Question number 1, ate. Number 1, di ko alam. Tinuro ko na kanina. Kalimutan ko. Sige na nga, tuturuan na lang kita. Kasi friend kita. Ito. Sige. Ito.
Use wholesome words to help people to feel significant.
Oh, ano nangyari sa'yo?
Hindi kasi ako na ako first honor.
Therefore, encourage one another and build each other up, just as in fact you are doing. Bring out the best in them. People blossom under approval.
Okay lang yan. Malaking accomplishment na yan sa buhay mo. Okay na yan. Sa ganun, ako nga, hindi nga ako nakakapasok sa top 10. Ikaw nga sa ganun, iniiyak ka. No, bakit ba?
Kasi hindi ko na-fulfill yung pangarap ng mama ko.
Okay na yan. At least maganda ka. 8, sympathize.
Mourn with those who mourn. Rejoice with those who rejoice. Really, a friend is one multiple of joys divides grief.
10. Be there in tough times.
Return home and tell how much God has done for you. So the man went away and told all over town how much God Jesus had done for him. Share with them the greatest friend who can save and change them.
10. Be there in tough times.
A friend loves at all times, and a brother is born for adversity. True friendship is tested during moments of crisis.
Do not be quarrelsome.
If you keep on biting and devouring each other, watch out, or you will be destroyed by each other.
And last, be generous. Happy birthday!
Many will entreat the favor of the prince, and every man is a friend to him that gives gifts.
I've had a long day, I just wanna relax. Don't have time for my friends, no time to chit chat. Problems at my job, wondering what to do. I know I should be working, but I'm thinking of you. And just when I feel this crazy world is gonna bring me down, that's when your smile comes around. Ooh, I love the way you hold me. By my side you'll always be. You take each and every day, make it special in some way. I love the way you hold me. In your arms will always be. You take each and every day, make it special in some way. I love you more than the words in my brain can express. I can't imagine even loving you less. Lord, I love the way you hold me. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, I love the way you hold me. Oh, 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 oh. Well, you took my day and you flipped it around. Calmed the tidal wave and put my feet on the ground. Forever in my heart, always on my mind. It's crazy how I think about you all of the time. And just when I think I'm about to figure you out, you make me wanna sing and shout. I love the way you hold me. By my side you'll always be. You take each and every day, make it special in some way. I love the way you hold me. In your arms I'll always be. You take each and every day.